everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create this look by only using Click's products. It is easy and it is affordable. So let's get started. The first step to create the only Click's product makeup look is I'll be using the Wet n Wild concealer. Yes, I'll be applying the concealer on my eyelids. So once we've applied the concealer, we are going to do the brows next. To do the brows, I'm using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. Now this product is my ultimate favorite. I'm using this product every day to do my brows, and I'm going to show you how I do my brows. When I do my brows, I'm using this flat brush from Body Shop. It is amazing. I just love the texture and how it works. So for my brows, I'm using the medium brown color. First, I'm going to just brush my brows in the correct shape, and then I'll be going in with my Wet n Wild brow product. I only follow my natural brow line. Then I'm going back in with my mascara wand brush just to make sure that the product is blended throughout the brows. Cool! So I'll be doing my other brow and then I'll be back. Once your brows is ready, we can head over to the eyes, and today I'll be using the Revolution makeup palette Life on the Dance Floor. Life on the dance floor. Dance floor? Life on the Dance Floor eyeshadow palette. So we will be using the following color first. We will be applying this color all over the eyelid. Make sure that you apply it over the whole eye. Good. And this is how it looks. It's a nice warm color, so light eyes will automatically pop with warm colors. And what I mean by warm colors is that everything that have a red or a orange undertone is warm colors. Next, we will be adding the following color in a rainbow shape. You will see what I mean by a rainbow shape. So a rainbow shape is basically adding the eyeshadow in the form of a rainbow, starting from the outer corner, moving towards the inner corner, just like this. And when you do this, make sure that the makeup is blended. You're using circle forms and not like dabbing it. You are applying it in circle forms. And that you do with both eyes. Once you did your rainbow shape, you're going in with your blending brush and blend the colors together. This is very important. Like, makeup should always be blended together and you are not supposed to see where the next color starts. It should melt into each other. This is one of my favorite sayings, blend. Blend. What is your favorite word? Blend. Everything needs to blend. So the next color we will be adding is this one. This one we will be applying in the crease of our eyes, creating a C form. Just look at the difference between having a dark color in the crease and having not one. So when you apply a dark color in the crease, it creates a 3D look. This eye looks way too flat, just like in a C form. And I'll also be applying it under the eye. Now that both eyes are done, I would like to add an extra color just to give it a bit more character. So the color that I'll be adding is and this I will also be applying just in a C shape in the outer corners of my eyes. And then you always go in with your blending brush. Now that it looks like I've been punched, it's not a problem. I'm going to use my Clicks facial wipes, just wiping away all the excess eyeshadow. Like 1, 2, 3, boop, it is gone. No need to stress. And there it is. As easy as that. Gone. I am a sucker for a highlighter. So for today I'll be using the Essence Go Goldie. This is actually a very shimmering eyeshadow. So I'll be applying my Go Goldie just under my brow as a highlighter, making sure that it is blending with my other colors. I will also apply this color in the inner corner of my eye to make it extra glowy. This is my Essence pencil and the color is number 8, Teddy. I'm not sure if you can see. Kajal. So the eyeliner I'll be applying in my eye. Next up is foundation. And for today I'll be using Essence #InstaPerfect. I'm going to finish my foundation and then I'll be back telling you how to contour. Before I'm going to contour, I'm just going to mattify my skin by using my ultimate favorite banana powder from Revolution. I just love this powder. It is amazing. So I'm going to apply this powder only on my T-zone. And I'll also be applying a bit of the powder under my eye. Perfect. The bronzer that I'm going to use is no other than the Mosaic Compact Powder from Essence. Always start applying less product, you can always build up. Don't start by applying too much because then you need to wipe it off. Now that my contour is ready, I'll be using the Go Goldie again. So I'll be using this one as my highlighter. Oh, just look at that glow. I'm in love with a nice glow. You just apply it above your cheekbones and then you glow. But this is not it. Now it's time for some falsies. For lashes, I'll be using Sorbet with Essence. And now for the last step to complete this look, I'll be using Wet n Wild. Don't blink pink. And there you have it, my clicks only makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it some thumbs up, follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye!